is a government of the people, for the people, and by the people. This is something that we have to live by. This is democracy. And this is what we are living with. This is what we strike to become. To become a government, although we are not part of government, to become one with the government. Just like the statement that I made earlier, the relationship between the government and the people, the citizens, is that of a husband and wife. There will be conflicts, there will be misunderstandings, there will be times where the husband and the wife will not talk to each other for weeks, for months maybe, but they still choose to live together because they have to think of the future of the children, and the future of the ones that will follow. So just like the wife who waits for the husband to come back home, even if the husband is late, the wife will always keep waiting. If the husband comes at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, the wife will wait. So we, the ad hoc teachers in the state of Meghalaya, Baptistone, we are the wives of the MDA government. And we will wait for the MDA government, who is our husband, to come back home and to bring what we deserve. That is the enhancement and the increment in the notification and by order.
Yes.
And last but not the least, I have listed the people who we want to come here. But the most important people that we want to come here are the people who are ministers in the MDA government. You are ministers. Doesn't matter you belong to which political party. You belong to the PDF. Let's talk about a little bit about the different kinds of ministers. We have someone who is holding the agricultural sector, we have someone who is holding the education, we have someone who is holding the urban affairs, we have someone who is holding the finance, and so on and so forth. We want all of you to come here, to understand us, to sit with us. We will meet you, we will shake your hand, pictures will be taken while we are shaking your hand. And if someone says that this is political, then yes, it is political, because we want change. We want all of you, the opposition and the ruling. Do not think where you are sitting. Come together, work together. You are representatives of the people. You are selected by the people. Don't think that the moment you sit there in your seats, you change who you are. So please come. I am tearing up right now because this has been going on for the last 5 days. I see these teachers here from far-flung places. They have come, they have slept here at night. They have had sleepless nights. We do not know whether they have had food or not. It pains my heart, it pains my soul. But still we are here because we are waiting for what we deserve. So we want you to come here. You can make an arrangement for an emergency meeting today. We know that the CM is coming today. So look for an emergency meeting, solve our issue. We do not want to sit here all the time. For me and the others who are still young, it's fine. It's fine. But I cannot see the women who have children at home waiting to come and sit here. The other day, there's a teacher who had a child, 3 months old. She came at night along with her husband. She brought tea for us. The child is in the car. And She still came.